In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip chart in TradingView. Flipping, or inverting, your chart is a quick way to see price action from a fresh perspective. When you invert the scale, the price axis is reversed, so what was moving up now appears to move down, and vice versa. This can be helpful when you're studying inverse relationships, testing your pattern recognition without bias, or just trying to validate a setup from the opposite angle. The best part is that it's purely visual. Your data, indicators, orders, and alerts are not changed in any way. Here's how to do it. Look to the price label area, which is the vertical scale that displays price values along the edge of your chart. On most layouts, it sits on the right side of the main pane. Move your cursor over that price label area, right-click to open the context menu, and choose Invert Scale. Instantly, the chart flips. You'll see the price values reverse on the axis, and the candles and indicators will reflect that inverted perspective. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can do the exact same thing with a quick shortcut. Press Alt+I. That toggles the inversion on and off, so you can switch back and forth as often as you like. If you accidentally flip the wrong pane or just want to return to the standard view, use the same shortcut again, or right-click the price label area and select Invert Scale once more to toggle it off. A few quick pointers to make this smoother. Make sure you're actually right-clicking on the price axis itself. Right-clicking the middle of the chart will bring up a different menu. Inversion applies to the specific pane and axis you act on. So if you have multiple panes or a separate scale, each one is controlled independently. Your indicators will visually follow the inversion if they're plotted against price in that pane, and any percentage or pip measurements remain correct relative to the inverted view. Crosshair coordinates and drawing tools stay anchored to the same price points. You're just flipping how they're displayed. Remember, this is a viewing tool to help your analysis. It doesn't recalculate anything under the hood, and it doesn't alter your saved alerts or any strategy logic. Use it to challenge your bias, spot mirrored patterns, or examine assets that tend to move inversely. That's all there is to it. Right-click the price label area and select Invert Scale, or press Alt+I to toggle it. Give it a try on your next chart and see how the inverted perspective sharpens your read of the market.